Hey everybody, it's Kevin Hoagland with the Gold Prospectors Association of America and the Lost Dutchman Mining Association. And right off the bat, I have to say thank you. Thank you to the huge amount of you that have downloaded my metal detecting masterclass. You know, when I first started writing that class, it was years ago, and it was really designed for the beginners. And I got asked, can you put in a little bit more information? Don't necessarily have to take it to the pro level, but just take it to the intermediate. Now, you know what? I can do that. So I added a whole lot to it. I rewrote a bunch of stuff, and made it more about today instead of. Actually, I think when I first started writing that, there was no such thing as a pulse inductor.
One eternity later.
And if you haven't downloaded it, please go to goldtrails.gold. Click on it, give us your information, and we will send it to you for free. When the master class went out, for those of you that have been GPAA members for a while, the first thing that started getting asked on a huge basis. I mean, there's been days where my email box has been filled up and my text is blown up throughout the course of the day. When are you going to do another Gold Trails? Are you going to do more Gold Trails? Absolutely. I'm going to do more Gold Trails in 2026. The first three are going to be at the very first LDMA camp, because we're going to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Lost Dutchman Mining Association, plus September is the month that we celebrate our founder George Buzzard Massey's birthday. So the first three will be in September. I'm going to be there virtually the entire month, and I'm doing these back to back. Go to goldtrails.gold and you can see my schedule. And here's what happens at a Gold Trails. The 3-day events down at IBAR. The first day is classroom. You get to keep your workbook. I expect you to have that workbook, and I expect you to keep it and use it, because it really is a field guide. So you get to have your workbook. The first day is going to be about understanding the basics of geology. We're not going to get real deep into it, but we're going to understand gold-bearing geology and some of the different things and how things happened all those billions of years ago, and what brings gold to the surface. Yes, earthquakes and things like that. Yes, they bring gold to the surface, but it's all about the water, the way of waters. And that's what, for the last 1.8 billion years, has been distributing and concentrating gold. So it's about learning how to see instead of looking and being able to find those things. So that's the first half of the day. The second half of the day, we're going to go out and practice it. The next day, because there's so many people with metal detecting, and because of the masterclass book, I know there's going to be, there's already been a lot of people that said they want to come. That second day is going to be classroom again, understanding the similarities. Look, I don't care what metal detector you've got, as long as it is a gold prospecting machine, not a coin and relic machine, not a park machine. A dedicated gold prospecting machine, like the Fisher Gold Bug, the Garrett 24K, the Mine Lab, any of the Mine Lab gold machines, any of the Fisher gold machines, any of the Garrett gold machines, XP, Nocta, all of the brands that are out there. It doesn't matter as long as it's a dedicated gold prospecting machine, because we're going to look at the similarities, not the differences, because as I said, there's similarities all the way across the board. And I guarantee you, because I've done these classes in the past, and I can't tell you how many emails I've gotten saying, wow, I didn't know about this, now I do, and here's a picture of my gold. So that to me is very rewarding. That's what it's all about. I'm giving back to you. And I've had over 50 years in this industry. Actually, I should say over 55 years in this industry now. And it's been so good to me, and all I want to do is give back, because that's what George Buzzard Massey asked me to do. Sitting around the campfire one night at the very first camp, IBAR, he looked me dead in the eye and said, make sure that we've always got places to prospect. Make sure that we always keep our members informed to the very best that we can. And the last thing is members helping members become better prospectors. And when he said that, he looked me dead in the eye, and I'll tell you, I have held to that to this day. I've been a member of the GPAA since the 1970s, member of the LDMA when I could finally join when I was old enough, since the 1980s. So I've been around, and I love this organization, and I love all of you people that are out there looking for gold and finding gold. I'm here to help you. So goldtrails.gold, sign up for a class, download the metal detecting masterclass. However you do it, I want to see you out at IBAR.